This video demonstrates how to check the hydraulic reservoir level for Phenom100 aircraft without spoiler panel. Be sure to follow all the steps in this video to avoid damaging your equipment. For further information, please check the pilot's operating handbook or the aircraft maintenance manual. The following task must be done with chocks on all wheels. For this procedure to be successful, the hydraulic system must be de-energized by turning off the hydraulic pump selector knob. Make sure that the landing gear lever is in the down position. Slowly cycle the emergency parking brake handle until the brake indication lamp on the main panel stays off with the handle applied. Check the nitrogen pre-charge of the emergency parking brake accumulator in the synoptic page and compare it with the nitrogen pre-charge chart available in the POH. If necessary, contact maintenance personnel for nitrogen servicing. Open the hydraulic system fluid level indicator access door and the hydraulic accumulator dump valve access door. Dump the hydraulic accumulator by pressing the dump valve on the hydraulic power pack. On the fluid level indicator, make sure that the fluid indication is within the normal range. If the level indication is outside the normal range, contact maintenance personnel for hydraulic fluid servicing. Make sure that the two differential pressure indicators are not extended. Check the indication of the accumulator nitrogen pre-charge gauge and compare it with the refill placard graphic. If necessary, contact maintenance personnel for nitrogen servicing. After this procedure is accomplished, the engine start must be done with chocks on all wheels, or the hydraulic pump selector knob must be switched to the auto position, and then wait 50 seconds before applying the parking brake.